How to fix Eufy Doorbell not connecting to Wi-Fi. I'm going to tell you how to fix a Eufy Doorbell that's not connecting to Wi-Fi. First, check the basics. Make sure your Wi-Fi is 2.4G, not 5 GHz. Most Eufy doorbells don't support 5G. Then place the doorbell and router closer during setup to avoid weak signal issues. Next, restart your router. Then reboot the Eufy device by holding the sync button for about 10 seconds until you hear a chime. Open the Eufy security app, remove the device if it's already added, and go through the setup again. If it still fails, check your Wi-Fi password, avoid special characters. Also, turn off any MAC address filtering or AP isolation in your router settings. Still not working? Try resetting the doorbell fully. Press and hold the sync or reset button for 15 seconds until the LED flashes red. And finally, update the app and firmware if possible. A simple update can solve weird bugs.